Hello my little Smurfs. Today we're going to be learning about multiplication. Look at this picture of my Smurfs. How could you describe the number of Smurfs in that picture? How many rows are there? And then how many Smurfs in each row? How could we work out the total number of Smurfs? So I have 3 Smurfs here, 3 Smurfs here, and 3 here, and 3 here. I could write that as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the same as 4 rows of 3. Thanks for your help, Brainy. But is there a shorter way to write rows of? There sure is a shorter way of writing rows of, and that's using the multiplication symbol. Have you seen the multiplication symbol before? This symbol of an X is used to show multiplication. So 4 rows of 3 is the same as 4 times 3. Isn't that right, Papa Smurf? And 4 times 3, or 4 rows of 3, equals 12. So let's look at our Smurf picture again. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the same as writing 4 times 3. And our answer is 12. In this picture, I have 2 rows of 3 Smurfs. 2 rows of 3 Smurfs is 6. Therefore, 2 times 3 equals 6. Now we're going to be using the multiplication symbol with arrays. Now an array is just an arrangement of equal groups of objects in rows and in columns. Okay, Brainy Smurf, let's have a look at some arrays that we see in everyday life. Here I have a bookshelf. Now a bookshelf has rows and columns of books. What about this one here? It's some chairs in a hall. Next time you look at our hall and the chairs are set up, you have a look at the rows and columns of the chairs. What about this one? This one reminds me of eating at Sizzler or Subway and getting a sandwich made. Do you see the rows and the columns of all the salad ingredients? What about playing with Lego? It's simple to make an array of rows and columns of your bricks in Lego. Ooh, who's been to Donut Boys? Look at this, rows and columns of donuts. Yum. What about this one? I've got tins of soup in gorgeous, neat rows and columns. And this one, you see these ones all the time, a car park. Look at the rows and columns in this car park. Those are all examples of arrays. Here in my picture, I have 1 row of 4 Smurfs. But what if I actually wanted 5 rows of 4 Smurfs? What would that look like? Let's add some more Smurfs here. And 5. I'll just try and move them up a little bit for you. I can write this as a multiplication fact. 5 rows of 4 Smurfs is the same as 5 times 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. Wow, check out my array of Smurfs that I have here. Let's see if we can write a number sentence to match this picture. First of all, we have rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows with how many Smurfs in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count in fives to see how many Smurfs I have. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I have 40 Smurfs. Now, let's write that as a number sentence. 5 multiplied by 8 equals 40. Well done, my little Smurfs.